How you doing? My name is Daniel Nduku, the co-founder of DoxFlowy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to work with electronic signatures inside of your document workflow to automate the process from creation to signing. Now, the reason why we've done it like this instead of allowing people to sign in the form is to make sure that we're compliant with eSign regulations. They're very nuanced, and any small step and it can be non-admissible, or the actual signature can be invalid. So we had to be very careful, and because of that, you might have to take an extra step. In the end, it's protecting you and your interests. So when you add a tag inside of your document, a signature tag, such as this one, signature witness 2, you will need to actually send for signing. Click on this integration here, and I've already done that, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. What happens is it pulls in all of the roles from your document, all of the people that have a signing tag within your document, and you can see them here. So you don't actually need to know the person's name or email address before you set this up, and they will sign where the tag variable has been placed. So as you can see here, the seller, buyer, witness, notaries, all of them are here. You can add a CC recipient. That's someone who gets a notification once the document has been completed. Then you have all of your options. You can personalize the invitation message, the email body. You can set automatic reminders every couple of hours, days, and you can send up to 3 reminder emails. You can also set the message that goes out, the subject line, and the email body. And after someone has signed, you can either choose to show them a simple message, or you can redirect them to another page. That could be to a page on your website. That could be to a payment link. It is totally up to you. It is your choice how you want to do that. And so once you're done with all of these settings for your electronic signature, you can then save it and then return back to the workflow. And there you have it. That's everything for the electronic signature integration. It's really straightforward. You just have to do one extra step to ensure that you're still compliant.